Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 4 best dual dashcam. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Real 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi GPS, dual camera HDR with top-level sensor, 3.3-inch IPS screen, super night vision, G-sensor, parking mode. Dash camera for cars with app, support 512 GB MOX. Brand, eCore. Model name, D22. Vehicle service type, cars, SUV, Jeep, truck, caravans, etc. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Special feature, app control. Video capture resolution, 4K. Mounting type, adhesive mount. Color, dual dash cam. Field of view, 157 degrees. Real 4K eCore dual dash cam. eCore D22 Real 4K dash cam uses a native 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second top-level sensor, authentic 8 million, super large pixels, the most advanced ISP, image signal processor, and unique 4D noise reduction technology. This is the difference between eCore Real 4K and other fake 4K. The rear camera uses digital IP technology, makes the video clearer and more stable compared to analog rear cameras on the market. That is why the D22 video effect is so impressive. Clearly 4K dashcam front and rear. Dash camera for cars, trucks, and SUV recording both the front and rear view of your vehicle. The 157-degree ultra-wide-angle front camera captures the whole road without distortion, while the 140-degree ultra-wide-angle rear camera can even capture fender benders from behind. This ensures you won't be in a traffic dispute and can avoid potential liability issues and accidents. Number 2. REDTIGER 4K Dashcam Front Rear. StarVis 2 sensor, free card included. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 20 MB per second fast download. Dash camera for cars with GPS, WDR night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, 24-hour parking mode, F7NP. Brand, REDTIGER. Model name, F7NP. Vehicle service type, bus, car, minivan, truck. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Special feature, StarVis 2 sensor, app control, built-in display, loop recording, built-in GPS, WDR, internal memory, free 128 GB memory card, G-sensor, compact design, 4K front and rear dual cams, built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, OTA firmware update, built-in supercapacitor, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com, automatic incident detection, loop recording, G-sensor, parking monitor, audio recording, StarVis 2 sensor, app control, built-in display, loop recording, built-in GPS, WDR, internal memory, free 128 GB memory card, G-sensor, compact design, 4K front and rear dual cams, built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, OTA firmware update, built-in supercapacitor, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com, automatic incident detection, loop recording, G-sensor, parking monitor, audio recording, StarVis 2 sensor, app control, built-in display, loop recording, built-in GPS, WDR, internal memory, free 128 GB memory card, G-sensor, compact design, 4K front and rear dual cams, built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, OTA firmware update, built-in supercapacitor, 18-month reliable warranty, help at redtigercam.com. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear, StarVis 2 sensor, free 128 GB card included. 5G Wi-Fi, up to 20 megabytes per second, fastest download speed with app. 4K 2160p/FHD dash camera for cars, 3-inch IPS, 24H parking mode. Brand, ROVE. Model name, R2 4K Dual. Vehicle service type, bus, car, minivan, SUV, truck. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 megabytes per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA, over-the-air firmware updates, built-in GPS for geotagging, live speed, supercapacitor for higher heat/cold and longer product life, built-in microphone, speaker, voice guidance, 360-degree rotation, 150 plus 140-degree true wide-angle view, free 128GB memory card included, up to 1TB external storage support, HDR, high dynamic range, Sony Starvis 2 sensor, 2024 Super Night Vision low light capture technology, 3-inch IPS wider display, 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 megabytes per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA over-the-air firmware updates, built-in GPS for geotagging, live speed, supercapacitor for higher heat/cold and longer product life. See more. Video capture resolution, 1080p 2160p, mounting type, windshield mount, color, black, field of view, 150 degrees, 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. ROVE R2 4K dual dashcam offers dual channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160p at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera captures 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. With a 150-degree ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140-degree angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dashcam.
Number 4. 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear. Free 128GB card included. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. Built-in GPS. G-sensor. 170-degree wide angle. 3-inch IPS screen. 24H parking mode. Support 512GB max. Brand. Terran Soul. Model name. D016. Vehicle service type. All car truck. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi, video capture resolution, 4K front, 4K rear. Included components, 21-foot rear cam extension cable, 11-foot USB-C fast car charger, 4K dash cam front, 4K rear camera, GPS suction cup mount, Terran Soul 128GB memory card, user manual, quick start guide, 5 cable clips, wire trim tool, electrostatic films, cleaning pads, 21-foot rear cam extension cable, 11-foot USB-C fast car charger, 4K dashcam front, 4K rear camera, GPS suction cup mount, Terran Soul 128GB memory card, user manual, quick start guide, 5 cable clips, see more. Mounting type, windshield mount, color, black, field of view, 170 degrees. Ultra HD 4K front plus 4K rear recording. The Terran Soul dashcam supports dual-channel simultaneous recording, capturing both front and rear footage. Both cameras record in 3840 by 2160p, ensuring clear footage of the road ahead and behind. The front camera features a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, providing full coverage of 6-lane roads and capturing more road details with this 4K dashcam. Loop recording and G-sensor. The dashcam front and rear comes with a pre-installed 128GB memory card, ready to record instantly. Loop recording ensures continuous footage, while the G-sensor automatically locks collision videos to prevent overwriting. Support for up to 512GB memory card. A lock button on the dash camera also allows manual one-touch locking of emergency videos.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.